If you're gearing up for a road trip, you've likely created endless playlists, downloaded your favorite podcasts, and set your maps offline accordingly. Now, where does your phone, the repository of all these essentials, sit? The best car phone mounts will provide a secure, visible place for your phone without getting in the way of your actual driving. Hello guys, in this video we're looking at the 5 best car phone mounts of 2024, and if you want more information we also put the links in the description box below. Thanks. Number 1. Andobil phone mount for car. The Andobil mount swept all of our categories, with our tester calling it possibly the best car mount I've ever tried. Choose between 3 installation styles: a suction cup and pad stuck on either the dashboard or the windshield, or a click-on vent attachment. Once installed, the telescoping mount can be moved around to make sure your phone is within easy reach no matter your arm span. Our tester attached it to their dashboard, and it didn't move once, turning out to be super stable, but still easy to adjust. When you need to free your phone, you can just use the quick release button rather than having to fight the mount with both hands. There's also a space to plug in your charger, so you don't have to worry about running out of battery just as the chorus to your favorite song comes on. For everything from daily commutes to epic road trips, the Andobil is an ideal passenger to have by your side. Number 2. iOttie Easy One Touch. The iOttie mount earned its best adhesive title with a suction cup that our tester described as incredibly sticky. Although that means you won't have to worry about it budging, installation may be slightly tricky since you won't have a lot of room to adjust after sticking it the first time. Once attached, you can switch the mount for a vertical or horizontal view and then adjust the telescoping arm to fine-tune your viewing angle. That adhesive is so sticky that the phone mount is just part of the truck now, said our tester. They've had no issues with it loosening up or losing grip on the phone, even in a sort of rickety pickup truck on uneven and steep roads, and the build quality of the mount itself feels sturdy and tough. They didn't try attaching it to their dashboard out of concern it might damage the finish, but it is designed to use there too. The testers use it every time they drive now and say it works perfectly, including when you need to remove your phone from the holder. Number 3. ZeeHoo Wireless Car Charger. If you need your phone to stay juiced up on long drives and don't want to devote any brain space to it, a car mount with wireless charging is the best car phone mount for you. Our tester found it easy to install, whether sticking it to the windshield or clipping it to the air vent, and it was very stable once installed, even across multi-hour drives. It did everything I would expect from a phone mount and more, they said. As someone who's never used a phone mount, this changed the game for me. Though it's more expensive than some competitors, the wireless charging feature gives it an edge, and it's easy to mount and then operate, even one-handed. Keep in mind that the wireless charging is more useful on longer drives than shorter ones, unless your battery life is truly abysmal, and the charging and automatic arms need to be plugged into a USB port to work. Number 4. Belkin MagSafe Vent Mount Pro. If you prefer a more minimalist design, your best option is the Belkin. There's a little finagling required to actually get it on your car's air vent, and the instructions are in pictures only, so it can be a little tricky to install. The magnet also won't work if you keep a case on your phone, which some may find frustrating in the long term. However, it stays put once you've set it up, and the build quality is solid. We think this is best for smaller phones since it's so slim, and it won't clutter your dash or fill your glove compartment with accessories. We spent 2 weeks testing 9 different car phone mounts to determine our favorites, rating them based on ease of use, stability, quality, and value. Our favorite is the Andobil car phone holder mount for its variety of installation options, ease of adjustability, and convenient touches like a quick release button and space for your charger. We also have top picks for different installation methods, budgets, and phone needs. Number 5. VICSEED. The VICSEED is so easy to use and set up, our tester didn't even need to reference the instructions. And while the clip takes some strength to open up for vent placement and doesn't rotate as freely as some of our other picks, that helps keep it stable while driving. It has not moved an inch, our tester said. Once we secured it onto the vent, it stayed put. It lives there now. The phone doesn't jiggle while it's in there and the mount doesn't wobble while it holds on for its life on the vent. There's also zero noise while the car is in motion, which was important to our tester. They also dropped the mount twice but it sustained no damage either time, and now it sits securely and happy on the vent without a worry in the world. Our tester removed the mount from their car every time they exited to avoid break-ins but had no trouble removing it or setting it back up and never felt that their phone was at risk of falling or even jiggling. They also think the price is a great value for something of this quality. Thanks for watching. That's all for now and hope all of you guys enjoy the video. Thanks.